Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to show you the latest project to land in my workshop. So for those of you who are new to the channel and probably don't know, I take on car and bike projects, both for myself and for other people. So this particular video is an introduction to the Yamaha R1 project. I've got several other projects lined up, so if you like workshop and mechanics videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, and check back regularly for more new content. And there it is, hiding in the corner. It's arrived with me last weekend. Let's wheel it outside and I'll show you around it. A proper iconic late 90s sport bike, the R1, and this is one of the first ones, carburetted 1998. On about 20,000 miles. It hasn't been too far, but it is in pretty rough shape. Been stored outside under a tarpaulin. So yeah, it's fairly untidy. It's not too bad. That has been dropped at least once in its life. All of the paintwork needs to be redone. The engine needs a top end rebuild. Pretty much every rubber component on the bike needs to be replaced. So this is another bike that's going to be completely stripped down. Tear it right down, start again. Do a few little modifications on it. Keeping it in period for 1998-99. It's pretty much a standard bike. Pretty iconic things. So that's it guys, thanks very much for watching this video. Little quick intro into the Yamaha R1 project I'm doing for a friend. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. Check back soon for more videos looking at the R1 project, and I've also got some other projects lined up really soon. Thanks for watching guys, get out on those bikes, ride safe, and I'll see you again really soon.